I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, taking it.
And welcome to the happy hour, happiest of the hours. It's your boy Dark Thief X66, aka Cook. And today it's just me, myself, and I. The guys are they got their own stuff they're doing, so I decided to. I had a box of some stuff laying around, and I figured, hey, why not do a review on some of this stuff? So, and I mean, there's two ways to this. I mean, one, it's questionable because I have no idea what this stuff is. So, I mean, let me go ahead and just tell you what I'm doing. Japanese candy taste test. Now, all this stuff is literally, I can't read it. Like, I'm clueless of what this may be. So, and not only am I going to be taste testing this stuff, but I'm also going to be ranking them from good to bad, pretty much. So, with that said, let's get this started. Alright, here we go. So, first things first, I want to go ahead and tell everyone thank you for coming and watching. I truly appreciate everyone who has supported this. Second of all, I'd like to do a shout out to NB9 and my boy Titan Wolf 94, sorry, for helping me in this race of stupidity, I guess, boredom, whatever. So, with that said, let's get this started. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the most questionable one. Well, not most questionable, but this one, it feels like a big ass Cheeto, pretty freaking much. Like, it's got that foamy feel to it almost. So, yeah, let's pop this sucker open. Smells alright. Smells very like a cheesy barbecue. I don't know how I feel about that. Alright, here we go. I mean, it's not bad. But it's not good either. It's like a really, I don't even know what that, it really does taste like a sweet, like honey mustard barbecue. So, put that to the side for now. We'll do the ranking afterwards. Ugh. Alright, so I've been eyeballing this one for a while now, and I've just been very so curious. I'm sure people that are watching this may already know what this stuff is, but I have no idea. So we've got this. Now, if you see, not only is it like some squares or whatever, and I think looks like, well, I was gonna say wax, but at the same time, no, it's not. It's just in the plastic thing. But it's got a little toothpick thing with it. Like, I wonder if that's just a nab 'em or if for easy access or what. But only one way to find out. Here, let's get the camera down a little more so you can see this. What in the hell? I feel like I'm taking a freaking prescription or something. Like, oh, gotta do the daily meds. Alright. Let's see here. So what the hell? Alright, I'm gonna pop one of these out real quick. No smell. No smell at all. They're gummy though. Okay, that was surprising. I thought these were like hard candy. That's why that toothpicky thing kind of confused me. Let's see if I can get that out. Alright, so there's a toothpicky thing, so you just do that. I would only assume that's how it works. So, bon appetit. So it's is that gum? Like that? It's got a gum taste, but it's got like a gummy texture. Like it doesn't like you know, you can chew on it, but it's not gonna like keep chewing. It just starts kind of falling apart. Try it again. So yeah, basically gum, bubble gum flavored gummy. Woo! It's not bad though. I'd eat them. So now we've got this. Now I don't know what the frick this even means, but first of all, before I go to the front, if you look at it, looks like Jello. Feels like Jello. Looks like. I mean, I would assume that's just a little thing of Jello. But this is where I'm confused. Just a lion with an L. I mean, am I eating a lion? I hope not. I mean, but what the hell? Let's see how this goes either. We're just going to cut it open. Oh, that is I want to say pineapple. It's tropical, very tropical, but it is Jello, like I had later said. Well, I mean, okay, I don't think it is Jello itself, but it's more liquidy Jello. Like it's actually there you go. Ooh, it sends signals to my brain that I don't understand. Woo. I don't know if I like that one too much. That's pretty bad. All right, now for another questionable one. Ugh. We're just gonna get this one over with because I don't even know what to expect from it. This side just looks kind of like a cookie or something, you know, right? Then you go to this side and you got this poo green nastiness with some Japanese writing, I would assume. Maybe it's upside down. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. It's down this boogie. Ooh, it's a cracker. It's literally like a freaking cracker with. Smells fine. That's seaweed or some kind of no. Oh God, no. Oh, that's awful. That's like a mixture of styrofoam and like seaweed that literally just came out of the freaking ocean. Oh, with the sweetness too. Ugh. Oh, that was awful. I regret everything. Oh, God. Alright, let's see if we can't. Hey, this looks promising. Get that freaking nasty taste out. Maybe, hey, some grape, whatever the hell it is. Seems to have, from the directions anyway, or from the front and the directions, that there's a sucker in here, but I feel powder. I'm thinking, like the dipstick things, you know, like the powder, but there was like just the candy, not a sucker. Let's see how let's pop this puppy open and see how she sits. Ooh, very grape. Not bad. And there's powder in there, definitely is. So I'm gonna. Not bad. And then go ahead and stick it back in there. That is generally delicious. I'm not even a fan of grape, and I'd freaking eat that. Oh yeah, right on. That was actually worth it, and got that nasty ass, whatever the hell that was, out of my mouth. That was awful. Ugh, why would you eat that? Alright. So, and another one. Mysterious tube of liquid. Like this is just a tube of liquid. It's got, I think it looks like a peach. So maybe this is peach flavored. Peach flavored liquid goo stuff. Oh, it just like burst in my mouth already. Oh, that was unexpected. Kind of reminded me of cough syrup, but I'm gonna do it better. Get a better taste. Oh. It's a Jello. Like, look. It's a freaking Jello, yo. And it's actually tough to. It's kind of tough to eat. Definitely peach, though. So, Jello in a tube. You guys really like Jellos. Alright, let's try this one. No idea. Like I've said before, I ain't got a clue. So, but it feels like some chips maybe, or I honestly feel like I'm holding a mini bag of cereal. Excuse me. So, you know the best way to do it. Try it. In the world? It looks like some freaking messed up Captain Crunch up in here, man. That's not bad. But I guess only one way to find out. Salty. Oh, slightly salty. It does not have a good ending, though. You start to question it right afterward. Here, I'm putting them back in my mouth. What the fuck? I mean, honestly, these taste like. You ever had fries and they get like kind of dried up, and then the ends of them are kind of hard? I feel like somebody just cut a bunch of those up and just put them in a bag. Pretty much. That's what I feel, right? Because it's got that saltiness to it, but it feels like this thing has been there too long and should not be consumed. What am I doing? I keep eating. They're really not good. So don't. To me, anyway, those are not good at all. All right. So we're down to 3 now. Ugh, still with me. This one I'm gonna regret. I already know it. This one looks absolutely horrible. I mean, it could be alright, but literally, I mean, as you know, you can't really read them. It's got like a little girl or woman on it or whatever. All it says on it is Tanashi Hasayomi. Hate on me all you want. I don't speak the language, so there's that. But what I don't like about it is it looks like basically a dried fruit. Like, here, I'll get it out and give you a better look. But it's from what I've just seen of it, it literally just looks like a dried fruit of some kind. Like, I don't know. That better not be what I might think it is. It's, I can't remember it now. But we have them a lot at my, place of work. And those berries do not smell good. And I know a lot of the Asian cultural, I can't even talk, love these. They pick them everywhere out there. And I'm just like, ugh, I gotta shovel them up. And I'm like, oh, I'm like holding my nose. And here I am possibly eating one. So I guess I'm gonna see what the big freaking whip about it is. So, oh, oh God, that's fucking gross. Oh, you should spit. Oh, oh, that was the most horrible. Oh God. What is wrong with you people? Oh, anyone who would eat that. Oh, gross. Oh, I'm gonna set you right next to your buddy there. Oh. Alright. Oh, I can't get over that. That was bad. There was this. Think of a berry with salt, but sour. Ugh, that was awful. So now we've got this, which it just seems like it seems like a hard candy. I mean, you can't even really see it inside of it. The powder from it, the candy, I think maybe, is covering up its actual, you know, what it looks like. So let's pop this baby open and see what we got. Oh no, I don't like this already. We got another. Oh, it smells the same. Oh, this better not be the same thing. I don't think it is. Oh, what is that? That's candy? That's a freaking fruit, yo. I mean, I understand, you know, fruits are good for you and shit, but, you know, you don't think every day that candy or supposing candy is a fruit. Granted, I don't even know if this is a fruit. This could be a vegetable that's sweet or something. I don't even know. I don't know what it is. So, if you know what this is, please let me know in the comments. That would be very beneficial. Even though after I eat it, it won't matter. Oh, why do I do this to myself? Oh God, yep, that's the same freaking thing. Oh God, it's just not dried. It's gross. Oh God, that's awful. Oh. Oh, I should have brought something to drink before I started this video. Oh, maybe, oh God. That is awful. Why? Like, look at that. Like, I mean, you can tell that's ginkgo. That's what I think that's a freaking ginkgo, yo. It just popped into my head. A ginkgo fruit, yo, or from a ginkgo tree. The fruit from a ginkgo tree. These things we pick up all the time. We have a couple of them at my work that I take care of. And oh, I just ate one. Oh God. Oh man. Guys at work are never gonna let me live that one down. So last but not least, as you remember from the first one, we've got a little I want it like a Cheeto type stick thing. And yeah, let's hope this just freaking gets that taste out of my freaking mouth. Ugh. At this point, I think anything would, but don't quote me on that. So, same thing, almost, basically. Yeah, it is. Bill in the middle. Ooh, this one's got like a cheddar bacony taste to it, or smell to it. Alright. Let's do this. That is generally good. In fact, I'm gonna take another bite. That's freaking delicious. I like these. I might be ordering more of these. So, now, to the count. So, from 1 to 10, 1 being worst, or 1 being the best, 10 being worst, we're going to start down the line. First, we're going to go with the worst, which I have a feeling you guys are going to have a good idea what the hell that is. And I'm going to put these both because I'm pretty sure they're the same thing. Ding, 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 ding. Ginkgo. Yeah, these are the worst things I've ever tasted in my entire freaking life. I am never, if I ever have the freaking chance to eat one of these, I am avoiding it like a plague. Number 10. Alright. So, I think after that one, definitely the mysterious seaweed cracker. This thing should not be consumed, to be in my honest opinion. But, I mean, hey, if you want to eat it, knock yourself out. Don't take that intentionally. But, yeah, this is definitely 9. This was bad, but it was not bad as those freaking ginkgos. Those were, oh, never again. Never again. I think the next one we're going to go with is these little popcorn thingies. This one, where they literally look like just plain nothing. These were doable, but not for me. Like, these consumption, no. I mean, if I was really, really hungry and had absolutely nothing else to eat, oh yeah, I'd mount these down, but I wouldn't like it. But it's the whole point of the whole survival thing. So, number 8. Alright, I think next will be the, I think so, no, yeah, we're gonna do that. The Jello, I'm gonna say that's a 7 because although it was alright on taste, the thickness of the Jello, it kind of makes you gag. Like, I kind of had a little issue, not much, but a little issue getting that down. But, I mean, other than that, the flavor is great. The flavor is actually what helped it. But other than that, I literally felt like I was eating worms. No joke. So, there you go. Alright, number 6. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Number 6. Alright, number 6. This thing. Now this isn't the last one I tried. This is the first one I tried. And this was alright, but it just wasn't my thing. Like, I would not eat these. It just, even the smell's like, ugh, what is that? Go away, Satan. Like, it's bad. So, there's there. 5. Number 4. Yeah, 4. We're gonna go with this. This, I really had no issues with this. The reason why this is number 4 is because I don't like grape. Grape's disgusting to me. Anything grape in the form of grape, I avoid. So, I mean, this wasn't bad. Like, it was a good candy. Good candy. Like, I love the whole concept with the sucker and the powder stuff. It's awesome. So, number 4. Number 2, or number 3, sorry, getting ahead of myself. Number 3 is going to be these little things. And now the only reason for that is I literally feel like this would be a waste. Like, this would be gone in 2 minutes with me. And, I mean, that's cool that they did the whole toothpick aspect, you know, make it easy. Maybe you can just poke them through each other and just kebab that bitch. But, I mean, no, just no. So, that's why these got a number 3. Number 2. Yeah, number 2 is definitely this. This I really actually did. I mean, I may have not showed it, but the Jello, the lion Jello that I questioned, I was like, what in the hell am I putting in my body? This was not bad. I love pineapple. Anything pineapple or tropical taste, I freaking absolutely love. It doesn't matter really what it is. And the fact that it was a Jello, even better. I love Jello. Bet. So, number 2. And last but not least, oh, I still can't get over that smell, is the even better tasting Cheeto. Ugh, just can't get over that. I love bacon, so anything that's got even the hint of bacon in it, I'm all over it. I mean, I couldn't get past this. This literally like made me hungry, and I just ate not too long ago. So definitely this. This is the bee's knees. Faux shizzle. See, look, I didn't do that all instinct. I didn't even mean to do that. So that said, there's our layout for the Japanese candy and the ranking of it. My ranking. However, I have a few other tricks up my sleeve, and we are going to be trying, but I'm not going to rank them this time. We're going to be trying the rest of these candies that I have, because they're all still very questionable, but these ones that I did were the ones that I initially selected to be worthy of this episode. So now we're getting into the aftermath of it. And now we've got all these other, we've got just a few more in there. And this one I was especially curious for this because this is like the other ones, like my number 1, but it's small and it's brown. Now, in my head, the indicators in my head are pulling off that this may be chocolate. Maybe so, maybe not. About to find out. Oh, it just done confirmed it right there. Oh, I even smell it. That's milk chocolate. This could be decent. Oh, yeah. That's freaking delicious. I would eat that every day if it wouldn't kill me. Oh, dude, that's that's awesome. That is what is up. Alright, so what we got here? Ooh, we got one that actually has English on it. It's probably backwards, but apple cream sandwich. So, oh, definitely. It's like an apple pie and a cookie. Who does that? Oh, that's good. That is a good cookie. Good cookie. Okay, so what I'm feeling feels like a gummy, but it's got like a glass, a drinking glass, with ice in it, and it says soda. And it doesn't feel like a powder. I don't feel like this is a powder. Like, I don't know. I wonder if I could put this in a drink or something. I don't know. That would make. I don't know. That makes sense, but. Soda pop. Oh, that's gum. That's gotta be gum. Not gum. No. Well, no. That's gum. That is definitely gum. This is a gum stick, but mine was in several pieces. That is good stuff. I like that. It's got like a. It says soda on it, but giving me like a. Man, I can't pinpoint. I think the only reason why I like it is because it's got, like I said, it's got like a tropical taste to it. That's definitely gum. Don't need to gross you out, but the testing must go on, and I can't do that with my mouth. In my mouth. So, alright. This looks fun. The marshmallow. It's the best as I got. Feels like one. Smells like one. Let's see if it tastes like one. Ah! Surprising. Well, like a little cross section there. Chocolate in the middle. That is good. I can see why I saved these for last. On there, man. Alright, what we got? Alright, we got. I don't even know what to think of that. Hard candy with a cat on it. I sealed it up, really? I understand, you gotta seal your stuff up, but makes my life harder. It doesn't need to be any harder. I have a really sneaky suspicion these are like gonna come out looking like cat turds or something. I don't know why. Got oh no. Got like 4 distinct little tan balls that are chewable. Oh, gum. More gum. This one's tangy. First you're just like, what did I just put in my mouth? Then you're like, worth it. Yeah. It's like, once again, a freaking tangy tropical taste, man. You guys are good on your candy with that. Good in my book, anyway. Ah. That after blow, though, get you for some reason. And in this whole episode, I'm surprised I haven't got anything ridiculously hot. Which, there's still more, so that could end really, really freaking quickly. Alright, this thing shouldn't be too bad. I would assume these kind of taste like honey. But that's the assumption of a bear that has a pot of honey in front of it. So, no. Let's see how this goes. I think I'm gonna go with a red one. Huh? Yes, your average gummy bears, pretty much. Just made somewhere else. I mean, they've got definitely a different taste than your average American gummy bear. Still more Oh god, there's that perfume taste. I remember that. Oh, never mind. I was gonna get another one, but I regret everything. La la. Alright. That just creeps me out in general. I mean, look at that. Eat the cookie. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, no, see, that would not sell it. I would just be creeped out and walk the other way. Like, would you buy this if some, like, random kid with that kind of, like, face? Like, eat it! Would you do it? Don't answer that. It's gonna eat it, Alright, so, it literally looks like two crackers with some cream filling. And that's exactly what it is. That's like graham crack, or that is an animal cracker with cream filling. Good idea though. Really not that bad. Alright, what we got here? Elephant. Okay, so we've got an elephant and what looks like crackers, but they're balls. Like, are these supposed to depict on, or try to look like peanuts maybe? Maybe they got peanuts in them. Maybe they are peanuts. Ooh. They're pretty light. Oh, ugh. Oh god. No. Fuck that. It tastes like ass with a freaking side of ass. Ugh. What the hell? That literally just tasted like plastic to me. Or no. I'm getting something. Like a cucumber. Cucumber cracker. It starts now. Alright. So we got two left. I'm gonna save you for last. This one, it literally looks like an Alka-Seltzer. Because it looks like a big ass just Alka-Seltzer pill thing. But this says Ramun or Raman. I don't know. Excuse me, damn. This stuff's really getting me. Let's we're gonna do with this. Oh my god, look at that. That is a freaking horse pill, dude. We're gonna crack that in half. I'm not eating all that. So there we go. Half. Mmm. It like instantly dissolves. Like, look. It gone. Ain't nothing left of that. Alright, now we are, yeah. Oh no, we got one more after this. My bad. Soda pop gummy, but it says cider. So let's see what's cooking in this. I'm gonna go ahead and go for the brown part because that would seem like where all the flavor is. Maybe I'm sure it's probably in the whole thing, but I'm literally chewing on a cider tree or some shit like that. Got a sweetness to it. Ooh. Pungent. Man, is it chewing. I can't get it to go away. Like, it's not tearing like a gummy should. Ah. Ah. But it tasted alright. Tasted like a freaking tree with some sweetness to it, but it ain't got no teeth. Don't screw with it. So, last but not least, anyway, we have what looks like a gigantic marshmallow. Like, this looks like something I would thoroughly enjoy. But I thought that on a few things that I've tasted today, and I was regrettably wrong. Ugh. God, I just want to do this. Smells alright. Flexible. I think this is just a twirly marshmallow. So. Pretty much. It just doesn't. It's got a mintiness to it almost. Well, I mean, I'll eat it, but definitely glad that didn't make the countdown. So, there you have it. My stomach hates me now, but hey, it's for you guys, so why not? So, with that everything all said, thank you for watching. I said it before and I'll say it again. I love the support that I've been getting with this channel, and all I asked is if you like and subscribe to my channel and like this video, of course. That helps tremendously get us out there, man. And don't think you can't, suggest stuff, man. Like, just put a challenge in the comments, we'll get it. That's how it works. So, once again, gonna talk to you later. Nice seeing you guys.